Today we're gonna make some really easy and moist lemon cupcakes. So let's get on with the ingredients. 1 cup of cake flour, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, and our last ingredient, the zest of 1 lemon. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. Into a large bowl, I have placed my egg. To that, I'm going to add in the oil, and then all of my granulated sugar. I'm going to grab my hand mixer, and I'm going to start mixing all of this together. So you just want to mix this until it's really well combined. You can see after just a few seconds how the mixture is all coming together. So at this point you can whip this as much as you want. Get a lot of air incorporated into the batter. Okay, that looks good. And then we're going to add in our sour cream. And this is going to add some acidity and also make our cupcakes more moist. Get all of that in there. That's good. I'll grab my mixer one more time. Just want to mix that in a little bit. You can see that's just really loosening up the mixture. I can even go a little faster if I want. That's good. And then I'm going to get in our nice lemon juice. And just to make this really fast, I'll grab our flour, our baking powder, and our little bit of salt. We'll just sift all of that in. Perfect. And I do have my oven going right now at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to grab my mixer and just start slowly getting all of this in. And I am on speed number 1. I do not want to overwork this batter too much. And if you don't have an electric mixer, you can use a spatula to mix all of this together, or a whisk. That looks good. And just as a last optional step, I am going to grate some of my lemon into here. And that's just going to pump up the flavor. Oh, that smells amazing. And this does smell really good. Oh, that's pretty good. I've used about 3/4 of my lemon. Grab our mixer one last time. Speed number 1. I'm just going to slowly get all of that incorporated. And that's good, just like that. Clean off your beaters. And now we are ready to fill our tins. So I am using paper liners. Now I'm just going to start filling these up. I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. Oh, I wish you could smell how nice this is. So 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake these about 25 minutes. So I'm going to pop these into my oven, and I'll be back later. So here we go. Exactly 25 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. I wish you could be here. These smell amazing. I can really get that lemon aroma coming right up at me. Really nice. Now these are extremely hot, but I will pull them out and I'm going to let them completely cool and then I'm going to come back and show you what they look like inside. We'll break one open. Ooh, hot. So I'm just going to open this up. Now I bake mine for 25 minutes. If you want them a little bit more done or brown, a little bit more on the top, you can do them for another 5 minutes or so, for a total of 30 minutes. I did mine for 25. I'll just show you what these look like inside though. Look at this. You can see all the nice specks of lemon in there. And look at this, super, super moist. Look at this. Oh, of course I'm gonna have to try a little piece. That's really, really good. And if you love lemon, you're gonna love these cupcakes. So I've just loaded up a little bit of vanilla buttercream, and I've added some yellow food coloring to it. And I'm just gonna pipe a little simple design on here. Start off in the middle, and all the way around. There we go, that looks nice. I'll do another one. And one more. There. Perfect. So I've just zoomed in just to show you these a little closer up. So that really is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.